Hello friends, today we are making Thai curry, green Thai curry with steamed rice, and these all are the ingredients. Lemongrass, stock, coriander leaves, capsicum green and red, one lemon, broccoli, zucchini, coconut milk, green chilies, carrot, spring onions, few basil leaves. I have taken 2 leaves of lemon, and green tej patta I have taken, coriander seeds, sugar, salt, clove, cardamom, black pepper, cumin and vinegar. Apart from that, oregano and red chili I have taken, chili flakes, and olive oil, and rice. We'll chop all this thing and grind it in the mixie. There are 3 main ingredients. This is lemongrass stalks, coriander seeds and fresh coriander. We'll chop it and after that we'll grind it in the mixie. Friends, we have chopped all the vegetables. These vegetables will be used after we make the paste of other ingredients. We have chopped everything. What we'll do, we will put everything in the mixie. First we will mix the dry material and after that we'll mix all the leafy material and we'll make a very smooth paste of that. Apart from that, I have started the work of making steamed rice. I have put little bit of lemongrass into the water. Friend, the paste is ready. All the wet and dry ingredient has been mixed apart from the vegetables, which we will be doing saute in this oil and in this paste. In a low flame. After that we will mix all this thing and we'll do saute. First we will mix carrot and zucchini, which takes time. Friends, half of the vegetable we have done the saute. After that we'll mix the balance broccoli and capsicum and we'll do saute in this paste. We'll mix it properly and we'll cover it with the lid and we'll leave it for another 2-3 minutes in a low medium flame. Just open and we'll check what's the scenario like. Yeah, it's fine. Now we will add coconut milk to this. We'll add little bit of salt as per taste. And very little quantity of sugar. We'll put one tej patta into it. Raw tej patta, fresh leaves for the aroma. And we'll leave this for another 5-7 minutes on a low flame. This is after 10 minutes. It started boiling, which is almost ready to be served. Our rice is ready. This is ready to be served high curry with steamed rice.